Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and switch between multiple Java versions on a Windows machine. Whether you are a software developer working on different Java projects or just experimenting, this video is for you. So now let's get started. So first of all, I want to check which version of Java that I have installed. So type Java -- version. So yes, I already installed Java version 21. So in this video, I will install another version, Java 24. And then I will show you how to switch between Java 24 and Java 21. So now let's go to the browser. Type oracle.com/Java and click download Java and JDK 24 for Windows operating system, and download the installer. Click download the installer. I already downloaded, so let me open the installer. In the download folder, Java 24. Okay, now the Windows installation wizard pop up, so click it. And here is program file Java JDK 24. You can change it. I keep this one, the default. Click it and wait for the installation to be complete. Okay, now it's done. Let's close the window. So now let's check the Java version. And type Java version. Yes, the Java 24 has been installed. And now I will show you how to switch between Java 24 and Java 21. Let's close this. Go to environment variable. Click on edit environment variable here, and here is the Java home. I already set up the Java home. If you have one, you can add one. I click on new and then variable name Java home and browse to the Java directory here. So now let's edit the system path. So by default, the installer has add this path for you, but we prefer to use the Java home instead of the one that the installer added. So move the Java home /bin up. Click OK. And since my Java home is point to the Java JDK 21, so let's verify the Java version. Click OK. Open the Windows PowerShell and type Java -- version. So now my Java version is 21. So now I will show you how to switch back to Java 24. Let's close this and click the environment variable here and Java home property here. Just edit and browse the directory. So go to where the Java installed and see program file Java and here Java 24. Okay. Now verify the Java version. So we type Java -- version. Yes, the Java is switched back to Java 24. So this is the manual way to switch between Java version. Now I will show you how to add some script to switch between the version. Let's close this one. Okay, open the notepad. Let's type some script. I will put the script in the description. Equal of call. Now declare one local variable JDK version to receive argument 1. Check if argument is empty between the usage and exit the script. If JDK version equal empty, the insert JDK 21 or 24. Set /b1. Next, set the Java home variable set Java home equal to the directory that we have installed Java. This is C program file and Java JDK. Copy it and pass to our script. Now let's load this one and append the JDK version. JDK version variable. Next, we set the permanent setx. Java home to the same version. Copy and paste here. Yes. Yeah. Then echo the output. Switch to JDK version. JDK version. Save this one. I would like to save to the bin directory. Go to my user to add a new directory. Folder bin with main JDK.bat. I type file and click save. So Next, I want to run it from the command line, so I need to add it to the system path. That's fine. Directory, bin, and copy, add it to the environment variable. The environment variable path with new paste it. Okay. So in order to run this script, I need to run as an administrator. Now check the Java version first. Java version 24, so I will switch it to Java 21. Type JDK 21. Okay, was success. Now check the Java version. I need to close the session. So open it and type Java version. Okay, now the Java switched to Java 21 by using the script. So that's it. Now you know how to switch Java version on Windows 11. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any question. See you in the next one. Thank you.